Welcome back to Tammy Becky's kitchen. In today's video, I'll be taking you around, showing you how I cook my okra, another method that you can make your seafood okra. So stay tuned, guys, and watch to the end. If you are a new subscriber, you are highly welcome. I know it's been long I post on this YouTube channel. Don't get annoyed with me. Please watch to the end, subscribe, share my video to your neighbor, sister, anyone, and please kindly subscribe. So guys, here are my ingredients. So here I have onion, vegetable, my palm oil, my seafood, my okra, my dry mackerel. I have my seasoning, my crayfish, my cube. So right now I've washed and prepared all my ingredients, so it's time to cook. Here I have my pot on fire. I put my crab, my crayfish, and all my seafood so that I could boil it. Add my pepper, onion, my soup. So I let it boil for 5 minutes. So I mix and let it boil for 5 minutes. Right now I'll be adding my dry fish in order to boil them all together to get that juicy taste. Now I add my palm oil right now and let it cook. Mix again, mix and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Right now I had my pepper, my everything together, and mix again, add my salt and cover it, let it cook for some minutes. So guys, it's time for me now to add my okra. Right now I'm going to add my vegetable, what Yoruba call potato. So right now I'm going to add it to my okra. This is the way I cook for my family, and this soup is not going to finish for the main time. So if you think I exaggerate, sorry, I'm just trying to show you the way I cook for my family. Now I mix and cover it with a little bit for 10 minutes because I don't want my vegetable to overdone. Now our soup is ready. I am ready to download this soup with puree. Okay, so let's get it on and start. Join me, guys. If you love this recipe and you want to try it, please try this recipe because you don't know what you are missing. Nah. Okay, I begin to devour my fufu, my semo, my puree, and my son that is with me can no longer hold it. So he joined in the race. So sorry, guys. We invite you. kindly prepare this kind of soup for your family and tell me how it goes. Do you like this video, guys? Do you like this recipe? Will you try it? If you try it, please let me know in the comment section. It's so yummy. Oh, my son can't stop eating. You see, okay, let's eat it to me go lomo. Bye, guys. If you have watched to this extent, thank you. Kindly please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, here we give you back to back good recipe, the one that is good for your health. We won't bring you the fake one. Okay, guys, kindly press that subscribe button, and when you subscribe finish, comment, like and share. Thanks. Bye. See you in my next one. Bye bye.